Hi, wanna know how to charge your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra? Follow these steps. So, firstly, in the box you can find the charging cable, which is Type-C cable, but notice that there is no power adapter, so you need to buy a separate one. So, to charge your phone, you need to plug it in the power adapter and then in your phone like that, and it will start charging immediately. Also, as a second option, you can charge your phone wirelessly. Just put it on a wireless charger and you will see this charging animation like that. And also, did you know that your phone can charge another phones, which is called wireless power sharing function? To find it, you need to open settings. Here we can use the search bar to type in wireless power sharing, so let's do it now. And here it is. Now you need to set the battery limit, which cannot be higher than your current battery percentage, and enable it by tapping on the switcher. Now take your other device which supports this function as well and place it on the back part of your phone and it will start charging immediately. So that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.